Syed Muneer Bakht, and I'm looking after the products and strategy at Nets International globally. Nets is a technology company that has been around for more than 4 decades, and we are providing different technology services to customers across the world in multiple technology areas such as artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, machine learning, managed IT services. So as a company, we are categorizing our services in 3 areas: infrastructure solutions, digital solutions, and managed solutions. And digital solutions is where primarily we are talking about cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, managed IT services, and we do a lot of resource outsourcing and augmentation as well for our customers. These are the main core areas, but within automation and AI, which is the prime focus for today's theme, we are positioning our observability platform, which is called MonitX, and this is a unified observability platform, vendor agnostic, and you can have different infrastructure layer managed and monitored within a single pane of glass, like applications, services, infrastructure, CCTV, security incidents, and all. So customers are expecting, because Nets has been around for more than 4 decades now, and they are expecting us not only to provide solutions and sell the boxes and go away. We are more into a more consultative role with our customers, sitting down, doing workshops, assessments. What are their pain points? Some of the pain points they're bringing to us, for example, the observability is a huge pain point because they want to have complete visibility into their infrastructure, and they are paying very high cost for that today. And they want to see all the different layers within the infrastructure. So observability, AI and machine learning is a huge pain area. What AI will mean for them, what are the use cases they should be looking at, and we are helping customers build those roadmaps for them, and then they were planning to execute those roadmaps. So we have dedicated teams within each of these technology areas, and we are helping execute those roadmaps from what they are today into 2 years down the road where they want to be. And Nets is joining hands with them to not only plan, design those consultative roadmaps, and then also execute those roadmaps to make sure they achieve their desired business goals. OEM partners, we work very closely with the likes of Cisco, Dell, Huawei, so you name it, Fortinet, for example, and the OEMs are bringing their pain point, their customers' pain point to us because we are working as a development arm for them. So not only we are reselling their solutions and services, but we are helping develop bespoke solutions based on customers' pain point. So I mentioned observability before. What are the AI use cases that will be part of observability, for example? So Cisco comes to us, say that, hey, this is a problem. Sustainability is a huge area where customers are scrambling how they can manage and monitor their carbon footprint. So we're working with manufacturing companies, we're working with banks, telcos, healthcare, where we are helping them identify how much energy consumption they are doing, how much carbon footprint they are generating, and how much energy efficient they are today, and how they can consolidate their infrastructure to reduce the carbon footprint, because there is a huge push from governments around minimizing the carbon footprint, reducing the energy consumptions. We are going net zero in UAE by 2030, and it's a global phenomenon. So sustainability is a huge area where we are helping, not only doing consulting, but also developing innovative tools and solutions based on AI and machine learning use cases. And we have deployed those tools globally with many customers around. See, best practices, you have to know what you don't know. So basically you have to find out what are the main challenges or gaps area within your environment, and that's where we come in, and then we are helping customers identify those gaps, and then we are helping them plan their journey within the customer. So you have to have a roadmap for technology and different layers of technology. So whether we talk about cybersecurity, has been discussed a lot at this event, you got to have a cybersecurity roadmap. Everybody says we are covered, we have got all these tools, but there are definitely areas people are still getting breached, attacked, and penetrated. So how do you make sure you're foolproof so you don't have a business impact, economic impact on your business? Same thing like AI and machine learning. You have to plan a journey. You have to build a roadmap. Where do you want to be in 6 months, 12 months time? So these are some of the points that we are talking to customers, sitting down, putting our heads together and planning that whole journey. Same thing like for green technologies, green IT, sustainability, that you need to have a solid roadmap backed by experts like Nets International where you see yourself where you want to be in 2 years time, and make sure that you cover all of these points and you have all the solid roadmap based on all those technology areas.